Hi, I'm Dr. Evelyn with Petsadena Animal Hospital. Today we're going to talk about end-of-life care. It is a topic that's a little heavier and maybe a little more difficult for people to discuss. However, it's important that you have this conversation with your veterinarian. It can help ensure that your pet has a smooth transition that's pain-free and as comfortable as possible. Here at Petsadena, we customize our end-of-life care to the individual needs of the pet and the clients. End-of-life care can include discussions about pain management and medications that can make your pet feel comfortable. It can include accommodations you can make at home to help your pet move around, mobilize, and perform normal functions daily. It can also include medical treatments that we can utilize to make your pet more comfortable depending on their medical condition. During your discussion with the veterinarian about end-of-life care, we will also go over with you some resources on how to assess your pet's quality of life and ensuring that you can maintain a good quality of life for the time they have left. Let's talk about euthanasia. Euthanasia is one of the most difficult decisions that a pet parent will have to make. It's also a difficult decision for the veterinarians to have to help the pet parents make as well. These are decisions that we don't take lightly, and we make sure that we're with you every step of the way when you're trying to assess your pet's quality of life. When making a decision of this magnitude, it's important that we take into consideration multiple factors. First, we will look at whether or not your pet may be experiencing any pain or discomfort, and look into what options we have to alleviate some of that pain or discomfort. Then we'll look at their ability to perform normal daily functions. Normal functions would include being able to urinate or defecate, getting up to drink water, to eat. Basically want to make sure that your pet is able to have a good quality of life and that they're not suffering. In situations where we're unable to manage a chronic condition, control pain, or keep a pet comfortable, a lot of times the most humane option is to consider euthanasia. Euthanasia can be performed by a veterinarian, either at a veterinary hospital or in the comfort of your own home. There are many veterinary hospitals that offer special accommodations for the procedure to make sure that it is quiet, comfortable, and private. When performing the procedure, typically a sedative is given to the pet ahead of time so that they're not feeling any pain, discomfort, or stress. Euthanasia is much harder on us as people than it is for the pet. The pet is not aware of what's occurring and they're not feeling any pain, any discomfort, any fear. It is actually the most humane way for them to pass. Losing a pet is extremely difficult. In essence, you're losing a family member. And we understand that here at Petsadena Animal Hospital. That's why we're able to provide you with resources that can help provide some support and some comfort after making such a difficult decision. Resources for pet loss support include information on hotlines to call, on support groups, and different articles about processing and grieving after a pet loss. Thank you so much for trusting Petsadena with helping you make this important and difficult decision. We're always here to support you before, during, and after this process. Feel free to reach out should you have any questions at any time.